What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Florida Southwestern State College, the best value education in Southwest Florida. I'm Terrace Miles, and I'm your host for this open house video. And I want to clear up a few things about FSW. It's not a fallback school. It's not that safe application school. This school is special. Let me say it again for the people in the back, just in case you didn't hear me. This school is special, and it changes lives. Why? That's a good question. FSW is far more than what you could expect from a state college. I can prove it in less than a few minutes.
He really blew. He's gasping for air.
Finding these turtles out here, participating in research, it's kind of like they're my own kids. I get giddy inside.
I want you to come in a little bit closer. I'm going to tell you what makes our school so special. It's our people. We are all here to make a difference for you. 95% of our AA graduates report they are better prepared to attend a four-year university. They should. Our faculty knows our students by name and take a personal interest in their success. If you join the Buck family, we guarantee you one thing. We will elevate your opportunities in whatever it is you want to do in this life. Look, everyone, we've all got a different path in life. We know that, right? So, you've got questions and we've got answers to what you want to know about Florida Southwestern. So, if you're a high school student, go ahead and click this box. If you're an adult student, right here, that's box number 2. And box number 3, that's for you transfers. What are we waiting for?